Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Sanjeev Kumar from Sunshine Hospital. Today we are going to talk about corona and fever, which is common nowadays. Because of change of weather, there is a rising trend of common cold, cough and fever, which is being confused with corona, and the panic is spreading. Even if it is corona, it is not very dangerous. We should know how to take care of corona patients at home. Hospitals are already full with patients. So all the patients who can be taken care at home, I will teach you in another 5 minutes. So what should we do? The first most important measure is to be 1 meter away from each other, 6 feet or 1 meter away, because the coronavirus that is spreading through your oral secretions will not reach you and will not infect you. Any kind of corona which gets spread onto the table or on the floors is non-infective as of present knowledge. If you use the mask, which are N95, which will protect you if you are taking a care of a corona patient. Otherwise, normal mask or even cloth is good enough for at home. I am also seeing a new trend of everybody using gloves. Using gloves is a very good habit, provided it is used and immediately disposed of. But if you wear a glove in the morning and remove it in the evening, it will only protect your hands and nothing else. It will be in fact more bad an experience if you use gloves like that. Every time when you touch something or somebody, or you avoid shaking hands, that time you use hand sanitizers or homemade soap. Cover whole of the sanitizer at whole of the surfaces, back and front, all the surfaces, so that you do not get infected and you do not transmit infection. What to eat? Vegetarian diet is preferred. Lot of liquid diet, soups, homemade juices, warm foods, lemon, ginger, dairy products should be preferred. Non-veg and bakery items prepared outside and junk food should be avoided. Take warm water bath every day, because whatever infection that reaches your body will be washed by soap and water and you will no more be infected. So it's a common practice to take a bath as soon as you reach home. Any person who you feel is having fever should be kept in an isolated room in the house where you can take care of him, provide him adequate amount of food and the basic medicines. What are the basic medicines? Are paracetamol tablet for fever. You can give it 2 to 3 times in a day. No other painkillers are required, because most common symptom of corona is fever and body ache, which is relieved by paracetamol tablet of any kind. The second is cough. For cough, we can use any kind of cough syrup. If you do not get cough syrup in the market, you can use ginger juice, concentrated ginger juice added in honey. Now, what else we can use? Supplements like vitamin C and calcium syrups are good for immunity boosters. Any kind of immunity booster at nowadays are advisable. If there is a lot of chest congestion and breathing gets difficult, you can use Montelukast. And the only one antibiotic that we recommend is an azithromycin. Beyond this, there are 3 more drugs which will be given in the hospital, and when they will be educated is when the your saturation of your blood goes less than 90. This is a very small instrument available on Amazon or available on many platforms, even in pharmacies. 1000 rupees instrument. It tells you how much oxygen there in your blood. Because corona affects your breathing capacity, the oxygen, when it falls less than 90, you should be reporting to the hospital. Rest all the patients who have no symptoms except for fever and body ache should remain at home. There are other symptoms of corona which are diarrhea, rash and conjunctivitis, redness of the eye, rash and motions. They are not a warning sign. The only warning signs are elderly people not eating enough, the people who have breathlessness, unconscious. These people who have other comorbidities like diabetes and hypertension, you should take care of them. There is nothing to worry if you have mild symptoms of even of corona. It is not essential to check corona. It is not going to make any difference. Isolate that person for 7 days. After 7 days, the person stops spreading corona to other people. After 7 days, 4 extra days of an isolation is advisable till 14 days, but generally the symptom starts on 3rd day. First 3 days, there will be mild fever, body aches, diarrhea, pains, headaches, nasal stuffiness, ear blocks, rash, conjunctivitis. After 4th to 7th day, if the complication occurs, such as poor oral intake, not talking, high grade fever of 103 or breathing issues, you should be reporting to hospital. Rest all, this much is enough to take care. These are available on the counter and they all do not cost more than 2000 rupees. Stay home, take care of yourself.